Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Now, let us start the grammar part. So, students, take the page number 32. Now, we'll start the grammar part. A. Correct the words in the complete the sentence. First one, the old woman did not have, what is that? Apples. You have to put a right mark on apples. The old woman had plums. You have to put a right on plums. The old woman took a basket of plums because she thought she could exchange them. You have to put a right mark on exchange them. She exchanged the plums for feathers. Put a right mark on feathers. She then exchanged the feathers for bread. You have to put a right mark on bread. Next, B. Sum it up. Fill in the table with information from the story. What the old woman had. What the old woman had. Plums, feathers, bread, puppy. What she exchanged it for. Bag of feathers, bread, puppy, apples. Whom she exchanged it with. The young woman, the quarreling couple, the mother, the little old man. Next worksheet. D. Underline the correct answer. See. What did the old woman wish to eat for dinner? What did the old woman, usko kya खाना पसंद था? What is that answer? Apple pie. You have to put a right mark on apple pie. What did the young woman wanted to do with the plums? Make jam. You have to put a right mark on make jam. What were the man and the woman in the farmhouse quarreling about? For what they were quarreling? How to stuff a pillow. So you have to put a right mark on how to stuff a pillow. Next one, why were the mother and her children unhappy? Why the mother and her children unhappy? They had no money to buy food. You have to put a right mark on they had no money to buy food. Next one, what did the old woman get in exchange for the loaves of bread? Puppy. So you have to put a right mark on puppy. Now match the column to complete the sentence. You have to match the column with the complete sentence. This I will send in PDF also. I just explain about it. The old woman wanted. What did the old woman wanted? To have an apple pie for dinner. Apple pie for dinner. Next one. The young woman at the farm gave the old woman a bag of feathers. Next one, the quarreling couple had a kitchen full of fleshy baked bread. Next one, the poor family did not have food to eat. Next one, the lonely old man was happy to get the puppy. Next one, if think and answer, I'll send the PDF. And next one, circle a word in each set that does not belong to the group. Which word is not belonging this group? Winter, sun, summer, autumn. Which is not belonging? Sun. You have to put a circle on sun. Next one, bread, cake, juice, pastry. Which one you have to put a circle? Juice. Yeah. On juice you have to put a circle mark. Bombay, Chandigarh, Chennai, India. You have to put a circle on India. Book, file, skirt, dirty. You have to put a circle on skirt. And friend, niece, uncle. You have to put a circle on friend. Kitten, calf, butterfly, lamb. You have to put a circle on butterfly. Next one, a bedroom, cupboard, sofa, chair. You have to put a circle on a bedroom. River, next one, river, ocean, sea, hill. You have to put a circle on hill. Next one, fill in the blanks with the most suitable options. First one, add plenty of butter. So you have to put a tick mark on plenty of. Dina and Radhan were quarreling over whose turn it was to ride the bicycle. You have to put a right mark on quarreling. I admire. Next one क्या आएगा? What is you have to put admire. You have to put tick mark on I admire. Second, fourth one, Mr. Khan has been offered. So what you have to put offered? You have to put a right mark. Next one, if it continues to rain heavily, we may have to call off the cricket match. You have to put call off. You have to put a right mark. After the show, Joe served a delicious dinner. You have to put a right mark on dinner. Next one, match the column to make some more common expression with. What is that? In all the sentences you have to add and. So black and white. So everywhere you have to give and. Black and white. High and mighty. Sick and tired. Short and sweet. Alive and well. So everywhere in between you have to put a and and. Okay, next one, spell it right. Here 7. Here it is how. Add the letters th at the beginning or at the end. Here you have in the beginning or in the end you have to put a th. 7th, ACVENTH. Here we put th end in the end. 5th, FIFTH. TH already added in the end. Next one, thin. So first we add th, thin, THIN. Ink, THINK. So first we added th. Path, PATH. End we added th. Smooth, SMOOTH. Smooth. With, WITH. With. 30, THIRTY. Teeth, TWTH. Okay student, the next part we will study in the next video. I hope you understood the grammar part. Okay, bye.